Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Aryan Roy B and Nick, and today we are going to read a poem The Earth is Round, and I am here your Tapasya to continue your English to Oxford class. So today the poem that we are going to learn that is about the shape of Earth means our planet, and we know that our planet is round in its shape. And now in this poem we will see the two friends, one dog and frog. They are talking about the earth. So let's start. A frog is sitting on a log. Standing near is a shaggy dog. Whoa, whoa, says dog. Whoa, whoa to you. And the frog says, how do you do? Okay, so from here we have come to know where the frog is sitting. Answer: he is sitting on a log. And the shaggy dog, that means the dog has long fur in the picture we can see, and it is barking also. That means he is talking to his friend the frog, and he is asking that how do you do means how are you. Okay, so the two friends, they have introduced themselves to each other, and now they are talking too. So now let's go to the second stanza. So if you like, says dog, come with me. Okay, so the friend frog is giving an offer to the dog. So he's saying, if you like, says dog, come with me, have a ride on my back for free. We'll walk and talk and travel far. No need for plan, train, boat, or car. So the dog is saying, oh, my friend frog, would you like to come with me? If you want to come, then come on my back, and this will be a ride, and I will not charge you anything. That means the ride will be free, and we will walk for a long day. And for walking from here to there, we don't need any plan. We don't need any plane, we don't need any train, boat, or car. That means we don't need any transport to go from here to there. So hope so these two stanzas you have understood. Now we are going to read the second left stanzas. So let's go to read the second stanzas. In that stanza, let's see what is there. How nice, says Frog, for I have heard from a dear friend of mine, a bird, that the earth is not flat but round, and the sky never meets the ground. So here the frog is saying that one of my friends, the friend is a bird, and the bird has told me, my friend has told me, that the earth is not flat, it is round, and the sky never meets the ground. So the frog has got this information, and he is sharing the information with his friend dog. Now let's read the last stanza. So off they go for a whole day. That means during the day they are walking and walking, and the ride is full of fun. The ride's fun, I'm happy to say. And they find that the earth is round, the sky never touches the ground. Okay, yes, we have seen the sky is never touching the ground. So this was the poem written by Nicholas Horsburgh from your book Oxford. Hope so you have enjoyed the text. And now the time is there to take leave from you. Be happy, be healthy, stay at home. Tata, bye bye.